anticipating this parcel so fast? Let's have a talk about it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm bag passionate, a French bag collector, fashion lover, and above all a Longchamp addict. In today's video, I'm going to unbox this parcel. Let's be honest, of course it is from Longchamp. The sales are here in France, and yes, I was interested by several items. So without further ado, I unboxed it, and the parcel is well packed, as you can see, no scratches, nothing, and very well sealed. So I open it and I show you what I have ordered on sale. It's the very first time I order on the Longchamp French website. So let's see, it's impossible for me at the moment to go to the boutique. Oh my god guys, it's security adhesive, scotch we say in French, and it was so hard to open it because I just have a traditional scissor and it was hard to open. So let's discover together.
It's really hard. Oh. Okay. Now it's like this. Okay. Sorry.
So what we can see, we've got paper from Longchamp, and we have, okay, let's see, we have one box, one traditional box. I've got the receipt, Longchamp, and I have, okay, I take this away, take also this away, and we have two things wrapped only in the tissue. And so, there's no name of a brand. It's okay for me because I prefer, sometimes when you have the logo of a brand, it's not, it can be damages or stolen. Okay, what did I order? We'll begin with this box. Let's discover. Ooh, we had a little pouch. And inside the tiny cute pouch I have ordered a strap. I have ordered a strap. Look at it. Okay. I have ordered this cute strap with silver hardware. It's a strap in Canva. The color name of the strap is Orage, really great. And here you can have a little horse, yes, you see it. And inside it is written made in France, just for you to know. So yes, it's really cute. So I had ordered this first item because I saw it in the boutique. And I found it great because maybe you can guess on which bag I'm going to have it, but the second item is this one, and I picked, maybe some of you know, because you tend to know me, and I picked, oh my god, it's gorgeous. I picked this silk ribbon. Look how gorgeous it is. Oh my god. And the inside, I really love the print. Gorgeous. Yes guys, I could not resist. I will write the price of the strap because I do not remember as well as this ribbon. Okay, the ribbon retailed for 75 euro, and I think I paid with the sales 45 euro. Yes, if I made a mistake I will correct it. So happy to have it, and I also saw it in the boutique before the sales, and oh my god, it's so cute with the logo, so cute. And the last item I picked is this one. Okay, I put the receipt away. The last item, so okay, you have a clue. Of course. Oh my god, the color is even prettier than on the website. I took this silk scarf. It's really gorgeous, and you can see there's the logo, and here it's a bit style of bandana, and it's really cute. And the color in French is Miel. Oh my god, so cute. I love this type of color because I have known from Longchamp, and it's a color that you can wear either in winter or in the summer. It's really cute with a jean, and yes, it's gorgeous. It's really, really gorgeous. And also I think it's retail for 75 euro, and I paid, if I remember well, 45 again. I will write, in every case I will write. That's all for my order. I'm really happy because I ordered it at the very first day of the sales at 8 o'clock in the morning because I was so afraid it was sold out. I ordered and I just received the day after. Perfect. It's red wrapped, really. They tend to put in France, they tend to put all the ribbon and silk scarf just with the paper. For me it's okay because I will use it directly. The strap is great. Of course, in another video, or maybe do I show you right now, or no, it's not here in my studio, it's in other part, so I will show you, or maybe I will do a short video. If you have any question, oh yes, before I forgot, well, at the moment nothing others interested me in the sales selection. And I have to say, on the French website, a bunch of items were marked on the French website but were not available. That was a bit disappointed. There were one bag in particular I was really interested in, and in fact it is completely sold out everywhere. So, but that's okay. That's maybe I should have bought it before or not, I don't know. So let's see. If I find it again in the future, or anyway. But yes, I was just interested by the strap because I know we'll have use of it, and the silk scarf because yes, they are great, they are simply great. That's all for today. Do not hesitate to comment below if you have do the sales, what you have bought or what you did not bought, sorry. And if you have any question, please leave a comment, I will be more than happy to answer you. Stay tuned, have a great day, take care, merci d'avoir regardé, je vous souhaite une très bonne journée et je vous dis à bientôt les gars, bye!